Hello, the given question is from test series 3, subject electronic device circuits, and chapter is transistor theory. The given question is we have to calculate ID for the circuit shown. So, and they have given VTP value as minus 4 volts and KP value as 16 microamps per volt square, and W by L ratio is 2. And so this is the circuit. So in order to find the value of ID, we have the equation ID is equal to mu n COX by TOX into W by L into VGS minus VTP whole square. This is the equation for when transistor is in the saturation region. In order to find the mu COX TOX 2 into TOX value is given as 60 microohms and W by L ratio is also given. We have to find VGS. So VGS equation we have, that is VGS is equal to VN minus VDD minus ID into RS. So VN value, which is Vin value, that is 1.2 volts, and VDD is 2.5 volts from the circuit, and ID value we have to find out, and RS value, that is 10K. Directly by substituting all this and simplifying, we'll get minus 1.3 plus 10 KD. So we have obtained GS value. So we'll substitute this VGS value in this equation, and we know the mu and COX value and omega ratio, and substituting this VGS here and simplifying this equation, we'll obtain ID value as 35.56 microamps. So that is option A. So from this question we have learned how to find out the ID value for the given circuit. Thank you.